this is the deal. Truck mount versus portable. As you know, truck mount kicks butt. I got a truck mount, but I didn't start with the truck mount. I started out with the portable. So if you're telling me that the truck mount actually cleans better than the portable, and then if you start out with a portable, then you're gonna be a failure, I'm gonna have to call you a liar. I mean, that's just it. Because if your chemistry is good, if you're don't walk up on me, man. Make me a little nervous. All right. If your chemistry is good, and you have agitation. Okay. It may take you a little longer with the portable, but you're gonna get just as clean as results. That's all I got to say. I mean, if you want to say something about it, go ahead. No? You agree with me? All right, I'm going to the next job. What's up, guys? I'm kind of in the middle of a job right now. It's a vacation rental, another one of these. Easy 3-room carpet cleaning. Plus, I did a mattress for them. They did have a urine stain there that she doesn't know how long it's been there. It's been a while, I guess. So I did treat. These are the rooms, first off. So yeah, she knows what she's doing. She's really maintained these rugs. I guess these rugs are 20 years old, and she's a vacation rental. This is our vacation rental, so she hasn't did any damage. So I did send her a leak video I made with all recommended stuff for people who want to take care of their own issues at home before they hire a professional. I sent her a link for that. She was very, very appreciative. Over here is a coffee stain that she treated a while back with OxyClean, and it didn't disappear. So I just sprayed it a little bit ago with Matrix Target tannin products. Great for coffee stains and stuff. And it's already looked like it's lightened up a whole bunch. She said that when she looked at it, oh wow, it looks a lot better. And all I did was spray it. So I think we're gonna have good luck with that, and hopefully. She did ask me about a wool rug. She has that at her place. She just got one spot there, and I did tell her that yeah, I can do it, but I can't guarantee stain removal because I guess it's been there a long time. But anyway, this was the mattress. There was a big circle there, and so I did treat it, and it disappeared. And she came in here. She said, "Oh wow," she's already impressed. That's why she wanted me to clean her wool rug. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and so I already cleaned the mattress. You can tell I got my Mighty Dry tool here, and now I'm going to switch over and pre-spray the carpets and get these carpets done, and hopefully she calls me again whenever she needs me. Alright, stay tuned. What's up, guys? Just 1 second before the video starts, I want to thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking my videos. It's really helping. And just to let you know that down below in the description, you'll see a link to all the tools that I love and use. So if you ever have any questions, check it out. I'm always updating it, so stay tuned. Now this is the neutral pre-spray I'm using, and it's, even if I got a little, I you know, I don't try to hit anything on the furniture or anything like that. But even if I did get a little on it, it's not going to hurt anything. The pH is not high enough to where it's going to strip any paint, or you know, or do anything to the furniture. Of course, you don't want to do it, but you got to do. You can't guarantee you're not going to get any overspray. Just be careful, you know. This is the Ryobi backpack spray I'm using. Oh, you can already tell that coffee stain probably gonna come out all the way. And if that happened, guys, guess what? I just won a lifelong customer. And if it doesn't happen, you know, it's a permanent stain. Can't guarantee anything, especially when they've treated it with their own products. All right, there's guys that would take out their CIRB for every single job. Pre-scrub the whole carpet. Not necessary. Not necessary for every job. This job doesn't need it. Your pre-spray is going to work 90% of the time. Well, let's say 80% the time. As far as breaking up the soil off the fiber, let me adjust that, okay? I say 60% of the time, okay? The rest of the time you're gonna have to, you know, do a lot of agitation. But as far as this job here, you don't need to break out the big machine for something like that. You know, I got Mighty Mouse here. Do a little quick agitation on some little spots that I've seen here and there. Let's break it up. All right here in the entryway, guys, always do a little bit there alongside the beds, and this really doesn't have a problem here. Outside the bed, I already did agitate the coffee there. I'm going here. I didn't see any staining that the or heavy soil that the solution won't take care of by its own. So over here is like the worst part of that place. And that's it, guys. So, you guys are taking, this will probably take me a total of an hour and a half. That's including that, cleaning that bed, the mattress. From what I'm getting, a lot of people, this would probably take them 2.5 hours or so to do. They're just overdoing it, you know, just doing too much. Work on your chemistry. If you're having trouble while you're cleaning and things aren't coming out like they should, and then you have to stop and go back over it, work on your chemistry. So 90% of the time all you gotta do is run the wand over it, you're done. So everything's in your prep as far as carpet cleaning. Okay, so all right, I'm gonna hook up my hoses. That was a coffee stain over there. Let's see how it... Yeah, looks like it's gone. But there's a problem, guys. Wrapping my hose around there, bumped the table just hard enough to make that fall over and break. That's probably one of the worst feelings you can have being a carpet cleaner when you do something like that. You go through all this stuff to protect yourself and protect the customer's stuff, and then something like that happens, you know, inevitable. So what I did is I went ahead and text the customer and let her know what happened, ask her how much it cost, and I'll deduct it from her bill. And hopefully she's good with it, okay? Matter of fact, I think she just texted me, so let's see what she said. Oh gosh, no worries. I thought I left it on the bed. Okay, well, I guess she's happy with it. I mean, or not happy with it, but not too pissed off about it. I am still going to leave her a discount because that's the way I am, and I'll probably take 20 bucks off of it. I don't imagine it's too expensive. Yeah. Let me finish this up. All right, so carpets are done. You know, not too extreme of a one of those jobs that you see those huge differences and stuff, but as far as the coffee stain and everything, you know, she's going to be very happy about that. And let's see, I just let her know. I said, good news, coffee stain is gone. She said, awesome. So, all right. So that's it for this job. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. I'm going to go ahead and get my mop out, mop up the wet area here, and close up behind me. Yeah, thanks for watching. Wine Country, Paso Robles. This is the type of season where the vines aren't too green, but in about 3 months, it's gonna be looking nice and green out here. Look at that huge place over there. I don't know if you can see it, but they're building Another winery, I think. Horseshoe Pits. All right. See you in the next one.